YouTubers, how's it going? Hopefully you're having a pretty good day or night. Thanks for checking out my channel. Well, there it is, the 2000 Toyota 4Runner. And today, or this evening, I have taken off the skid plate for the gas tank. Finally got it off. And I'll show you why. More holes than Swiss cheese. Yeah, I don't know what it is about Toyota and a lot of Jeeps with these skid plates. They just rust. I think they make a lot of this material, especially the skid plates and the metal, from the leftover Titanic. If you know the story about the Titanic, one of the theories is when it hit the iceberg, if the steel or metal would have been up to today's standards, the iceberg would not have punctured the Titanic and sunk it. But I kind of wonder if they used leftover metal from that era sometimes. But anyway, I got it off. I find that the two bolts here came out pretty good. I was worried about them getting twisted off. They came out, and there's a third one there you don't have to take out. I took it out anyway. I don't know why. It's a brace. There's a brace there. It actually sits kind of like right there. But those two came out. The only bolt that twisted off the frame was right here. And you can drill that out if you want. And you can see why I'm going to drop this tank. I got to patch a little place on the frame right there. It's not very big. It's only about 4 fingers or so. No big deal. And you got a couple bolts back here. This one here twisted off on me, which is right there where my finger is. And there's one on the other side. Let me get up here and show you. There's the bolts that's in there. These are all 12 millimeter, by the way. Make sure you use a 6-point socket. Don't even try to use a 12-point. They should be against the law. I'm sorry. I hate those things. They're worthless. So I'll go up under here and show you what's going on with this bolt on this side of the gas tank as I hold the camera as steady as I can. And you got one right there that comes off. Now this one came out right there. Had no problem getting it out. Once you get those out, the skid plate for the gas tank will come right out. So, you know, if you want to replace your skid tank, if you're going to turn your Toyota 4Runner into a rock crawler, it might be advisable to get another one, but I'm not going to worry about it. This is going to be a daily driver for somebody when I get it done. And you see, you got a few places on the frame there that are bad, but really that's about it. Everything else is in pretty good shape. I've cleaned it up pretty well. I'll probably spend another week on it. But let me drag the skid plate out real quick here, give you a look at it, show you where all the bolts are, in case you live in the Northeast and you want to take yours off. Not much left. So if you can get most of them out, I think you can probably tap the other bolts out. And it always helps to put a little grease on this side and break them loose that way. It comes right off. So I just wanted to make a quick video on the skid plate. And here's what it looks like without the skid plate on there. You can see the gas tank. So that's it. I just want to make a quick video. If anybody's working on a Land Cruiser, not a Land Cruiser, a 4Runner. So there you go. More videos later. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Until my next video, I'll see you then.